the, T-H-E, the or the. You can pronounce it the or the, but it depends upon the context where to call it the and where to call it the. Alright? So a and an both are used for a like something singular. So you say an apple, an institute, a bus, a bus, a plant. But the or the is slightly different. The is used with the consonant sound and the is used with a vowel sound, and the is overall used for when you specify something. When you are specifying something. For example, if you say just I want to buy the shirt, this is incorrect. Which shirt? I want to buy the shirt you bought last year. That one. Got it. So the or the is used for specific things, and the with the consonant sound, the with the vowel. For instance, the Army Public School, the Army Public School, the Englopak Institute, or the with the consonant sound, the Peshawar Public School, the Rawalpindi Public School. So this is something like that. The